If you want to know how to type in Pixlr, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the quickest way to add text to your image, change the look of it, and move it around so it fits your design perfectly. This is a simple skill, but once you know it, you can use it for thumbnails, social posts, banners, memes, and pretty much any graphic you create in Pixlr. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image inside Pixlr and get ready to add text. To activate the text tool, press T on your keyboard. That is the fastest way to switch into typing mode. If you prefer using the interface, you can also select the T icon from the left toolbar. Either way works the same, so use whichever feels more comfortable. Once the text tool is active, click anywhere on the image canvas. This creates a text area where your words will go. After you click, Pixlr will bring up a small sub-panel with a button that says Add New Text. Click that button to initialize the text layer. This step is important because it creates the editable text object on your canvas. Now it's time to type. Double-click inside the new layer bounding box and then start entering your content. You can type a word, a sentence, a headline, or even a full phrase depending on what your design needs. If you make a mistake, just edit it like normal text. Pixlr makes it easy to revise everything before you finalize the design. After your text is in place, you can style it using the top context bar. This is where you can change the font to match your design. You can also adjust the size using the slider bars, which is great if you want the text to be bold and eye-catching or smaller and more subtle. If you want a different color, use the hex color selector to pick the exact shade you want. This is especially useful if you're matching branding, theme colors, or a specific aesthetic. Once your text looks right, you may want to move it or resize it. To do that, press V on your keyboard to switch back to the Arrange or Move tool. This lets you drag the text box to a new spot on the canvas. You can also resize it so it fits better within your layout. This is the part where you fine-tune the placement and make sure everything looks clean and balanced. A good tip is to keep testing the position as you go. Sometimes text looks great in one spot and much better in another, so don't be afraid to adjust it a few times. You can also combine different font styles, sizes, and colors to make the text stand out more. If you're making a thumbnail or promo graphic, clear and readable text usually works best. So to quickly recap, press T to activate the text tool, click on the canvas, hit Add New Text, double-click inside the box to type, use the top bar to style your text, and press V when you want to move or resize it. That's the full process for typing in Pixlr. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.